In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your DocuSign signature. This is a necessary skill if you've updated your signature, or if you just feel like giving it a new look. We'll walk through the process together so you can be sure you're doing it right. First, let's open up DocuSign and head to our homepage. It's where you'll find all of your agreement activities conveniently laid out. Once you're there, look for the agreement activity that you need to modify. Spot the Sign option and give it a click. This step is crucial because it's where everything starts in the process of changing your signature. Next up, find your current signature within that agreement. You should see an option to click on the signature. When you do this, a selection should appear, offering you a change option. This is where you begin the process of updating or changing your signature. It's important to note here that having a clear idea of what your new signature should look like can be beneficial. Whether it's a digitized form of your handwritten signature or something a bit more formal from a preset selection, it's best to have an idea in mind. Once you've clicked Change, a new window or dialog box usually appears to facilitate this update. At this point, you'll tap or click on the Add button. By doing this, you can introduce a fresh signature to your profile. You might want to practice writing your new signature on paper first to ensure it looks just right. Practicing on paper first saves a lot of time when you're ready to digitize it. Additionally, DocuSign often provides options to change not just the style, but also the font and the way your name is displayed. Explore these options if you haven't before. They can offer a professional touch to your documents. After you've finalized your new signature, make sure to save your changes. It's easy to overlook, but saving ensures that all your updates are correctly implemented in the system. And there you have it, a brand new signature ready to go. Remember, this change will be reflected on all future documents you sign through DocuSign. It's worth checking any recent documents you already signed to ensure continuity and uniformity across your signed agreements. Thanks for following along with me today. I hope you now feel confident in changing your signature on DocuSign. This process not only helps keep your digital identity up to date, but also gives your signed documents a personal touch. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful how-tos just like this one.